Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying parts and power. Confirm whether the TFT uses 3V or 5V logic, and pick a level shifter if needed. Once done, lay out jumper wires and locate the TFT pins labeled VCC, GND, SCL, SDA, DC, CS, and RSD so connections are fast and error-free. Make sure the Arduino's ground is common with the display. This prevents floating references, which would make the screen show noise instead of your graphics. Now you wire the display for SBI. Attach SCK to Arduino SCK, MOSI to MOSI, and choose a digital pin for CS. Also wire DC and RSD to separate pins. Then power the display with the matched voltage and ensure ground is shared. Next, install the correct graphics library and edit its configuration to reflect your pin choices, because the library needs to know which pins control chip select, data/command, and reset. This step makes software and hardware speak. You finish by uploading a simple example sketch that fills the screen. Ensure the sketch selects the right driver. Once uploaded, the display should initialize and show test patterns. If the screen is blank, check the backlight and power pins, then probe signals with a multimeter. Make sure voltage levels match the display. If you see flicker or corrupted pixels, reduce the SBI clock speed or add pull-ups. One key tip: confirm ground continuity first. Most problems trace back to a missing ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.